Have you ever pondered the enigma of vanishing creatures? The peculiar phenomena of animals disappearing, only to resurface, hollowed out as if by surgical precision. Intriguing, isn't it? I'm fascinated by these mysteries, and I also have a knack for manipulating elemental gases contained within tiny ampules ready to radiate light. Combine this with the active ingredient in botox, which has a numbing and liquefying effect on flesh, and we might just be stepping into a realm of more plausible explanations. I'm not here to weave you a poetic tale, but to delve into enigmas while maintaining a respectful distance from sacred values. There's an art to exploring mysteries without overstepping boundaries. In a world where respect is often disregarded, I strive to uphold it. My approach, I assure you, is one of a kind. Let's turn to the Bible, regarded by many as the ultimate guide to life. The story of Adam and Eve, in particular, serves as a valuable metaphor. There's a serpent lurking in the tree, a coded message that requires deciphering. It seems to hint at a forbidden territory, a place where trespassing is strictly prohibited, yet this warning often goes unheeded. If Adam and Eve had found an apple elsewhere, would the story have been different? The moral remains: do not trespass on sacred land. The consequences are severe. And this applies not only to cattle mutilations, but also to other creatures, from rabbits to humans. In theism, there's another tale, a story of a hunt, not for glory, but for survival. The hunters, after fasting for 3 days and nights, make a swift, clean kill. They thank the divine for the sustenance provided by the animal and utilize every part of it. This is a tale of respect and gratitude, of giving back to the earth, and of understanding our place in the grand scheme of things. The term paleface, approved by the divine entity some call God, signifies both a problem and a solution. It speaks to the respect earned by the native people through their deep connection with the sun, our life giver. Racism, in essence, is mocking the divine, a sacrilege that should be avoided. The Dyatlov Pass incident serves as a chilling reminder of the consequences of trespassing on sacred land. Despite clear warnings, some chose to ignore them, with fatal results. In conclusion, respect for sacred values is of utmost importance. Whether it's a matter of cattle mutilations or the disappearance of other creatures or even the survival of humans, one principle stands above all: respect. The world is a vast, complex communication system, and understanding it requires an open mind and a respectful heart. Coming up, we'll delve deeper into this mystery with a collection of intriguing pictures, a scientific report, and an exploration of binary and multiple fission. We'll also look at morphogenesis and the link to amoebas and explore the role of elemental gases in this enigma. Stay tuned, the mystery is just beginning to unfold.